2, 3. Out of benzene, metadinitrobenzene and toluene, which will undergoes nitration most easily and why? So here see benzene, metadinitrobenzene and toluene. So the correct answer is first highest reactivity is toluene. So first highest reactivity is toluene. Toluene means methyl benzene or toluene. So because I will explain, first highest one is toluene. Least one is metadinitrobenzene. So the metadinitrobenzene is this one. It is metadinitrobenzene. So metadinitrobenzene. So it is highest. Second place benzene. Third place metadinitrobenzene, because CH3 is electron donating group. So CH3 is electron donating group. So the reactivity is very high. In this place, NO2 is electron withdrawing group. So electron withdrawing group. So it is very low. So because CH3 is electron donating group, NO2 is electron withdrawing group. So it is highest, it is lowest. Benzene is in between. So it is the benzene. So benzene is in between toluene and metadinitrobenzene is present. It is the reason toluene is very high, because CH3 is electron donating group. Metadinitrobenzene is very low because NO2 is electron withdrawing group. This is the reason. Thank you.